so we have rinsed off our basil and we chopped it up in the Cuisinart or food processor, whatever you have. Next we're going to add, what do we add first? Or does it matter?
I don't think it matters.
Okay, so we have pine nuts, toasted or not, and Parmesan, and some olive oil. In what amounts? Like, is it 1 for 1? So I guess I'm not good at this type of.
I do it by taste.
Going by the seat of my pants sort of thing, but we're gonna give it a try, and we should end up with some pretty nice pesto. And you don't have to use, you can use cilantro instead of basil, right? You can use
yes,
other
you
kind
can.
of nuts. So experiment as you will, but this smells really fresh and yummy, so we'll see how it goes. We added some salt and freshly ground pepper and Parmesan. First we put the Parmesan and pine nuts in and let that kind of mix in with the basil. And last we put in the salt, pepper, and olive oil. And we didn't mix the olive oil too much because we like it kind of chopped, not blended. That's how I like my pesto. So it's pretty darn tasty, and we're gonna have that tonight in some kind of pasta, I think. Yum, yum.